just this. So the derivative is this, but the differential of a function is this. Of course, of the same function we are talking about in both cases. So understand the difference, please. Okay, so there is example or problem 36 on the same page. And you can approximate anything you want. So the square root of 8, approximately f of x plus f prime of x dx. I need to identify f of x, x, and dx. Okay, f of x?
Square root of x.
Good, and then I will write f prime immediately as 1 over 2 the square root of x. We've discussed that many times. Good. Can anyone give us x?
9.
Of course. Can anyone give us dx?
No.
That's it. Done. So then the square root of 8 is approximately, what do I write? Don't calculate so everyone sees the numbers and then we calculate.
Square root of 9.
Yes?
Plus 1 over 2 times the square root of 9 times negative 1.
That's it. So this is 3, and this is minus. 1 over 3 times 2 is 6. 18 minus 1, 17 over 6. Brilliant. Obviously, who did this, who thought about it so many years ago, was brilliant. So, the square root of 8 and 17, nobody says that. I didn't use the equal symbol. I used the approximate symbol. Nobody says that it's identical. But look at that. So delta y is indeed very close to dy. So the derivative, so this calculation is done with the derivative. If we don't understand how to determine the derivative, we don't know how to do this. That's why it pops up as an example in calculus. Very good. Okay. So I would like to talk about marginals now. And what does that mean? Any questions? Is this better? Is this problem better?
Yeah, that one was a lot better than the 1000 one. It's a
Good.
little smaller and simpler.
Good. As long as we understand what is happening here, that's... Okay, I want to talk about marginals. What does this mean? Well, this is just a name, basically given to a derivative. So let's talk about problem 4 on page 266. Suppose the monthly cost in dollars of producing X, day packs, whatever, is C of X, 0.001 x to the third plus 0.07 x squared plus 19x plus 700. Okay. Good. So currently they are producing 25 units, let's say, per month. Okay. What is the current monthly cost? That's our first question. Monthly cost. Okay. C of 25. 0.001 times 25 to the third plus 0.07 times 25 squared plus 19 times 25 plus 700. Not a big deal. 0.001 times 25 to the third power plus 0.07 times 25 squared plus 19 times 25 and plus 700. And I'm making sure I didn't make a mistake. I think I'm okay. Okay, 1234.375, and that's in dollars. Next question, part B. what would be the additional cost of increasing production to 26 day packs monthly? So what is the additional cost? So part B, additional cost. If we go from 25 through 26, not a big deal. I have to find C of 26, and the additional cost is delta Y, which will be C of 26. The error, if you want, is 1, 25 plus 1, minus C of 25. That will be the additional cost when we move to producing 26. And here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy what I had before, and everywhere I find a 5 instead of 25, I put a 6. That's it. So I got that the cost for 26 is 1258.896. And what is the additional cost? That's piece of cake. Delta Y will be 1258.896 minus 1234.375. Since I already have it, I'll say minus 1234.375, and I get the answer, 24.521. That's the additional cost. That was part B. Part C. What is the marginal cost when X is 25? Okay, finally we get to what we are talking about. Marginal cost is nothing else but C prime of X. That's the name of the marginal cost. Marginal profit will be P prime of X. Marginal revenue will be R prime of X. So let's find C prime of X first. I bring 3, subtract 1 from the power. 0.003 x squared plus. I bring 2 and I multiply 0.14x and plus 19. So this is C prime. They want us to determine, I think I'm on 8. Yes, I am on 8. They want us to determine C prime of 25. So 0.003 times 25 squared plus 0.14 times 25 and plus 19. So 0.003 times 25 squared plus 0.14 times 25 plus 19. 24.375. And of course, this says C prime, this is per unit. Okay, use marginal cost to estimate the difference in cost between producing 25 and 27 day packs per month. So part D, they want us to determine the marginal cost to estimate. So use marginal cost to estimate the difference in cost between producing 25 and 27 per month. Okay? So we are looking at, like before, that's why I did that first, the differentials first. So this is basically cost of, so from 25 to 27, so this will be 25 plus 2 is approximately the cost of 25 plus the cost prime at 25 times 2. How did I come up with this? Where's my previous? Cost of 25 increased to 27, so the error, if you want, is 2. This will be equal to cost of 25 plus f prime of 25 multiplied by 2. Because here I want 27 now. So this is the cost of 27, where x was 25 and dx, so x equals 25 and dx equals 2. So c of x plus dx is approximately c of x plus c prime of x times dx. And we have, I think we have all the information. So here this is correct, the equal symbol is correct. But between this and this is not, it's the squiggling symbol. But now here this is correct. C of 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0.375 plus C prime of 25, 24.375 times 2. One, two, oh, nope, I don't want to. I have it already here, so times 2, the previous answer, and then plus 1234.375. So this is 1283.125. And use the answer for. Oh, so they only want us to determine the extra in this part. Okay, we didn't finish, so this is fine. So this is the cost, approximately the cost of 27. So they want us to determine the difference. So then we determine the cost of 27 using differentials. So then delta y, which is cost of 27 minus cost of 25, will be, whereas cost of 27 is 1283.125, and what is the cost for 25? 1234.375. They want us to determine just additional. Okay, so from this one I subtract 1234.375. So this is 48.75. Final question. Use the answer from part D, which is this, to predict the cost of 27. So there is no need because I already used it. So I don't know why they're asking this again. So the cost for 27, we already determined that, 1283.125. Any questions?